Hello and welcome everyone to a new video, and today we are going to practice some grammar exercises which is favorable for all the classes. You may practice from here because many questions you will see is coming common from these areas. So I hope this is going to help you to practice from here, and it is suitable, as I told you, for all the classes 9, 10, 11, 12. As soon as your transformation is introduced, you can practice them. So the first one, let's see how many of you can solve all the 10. We have 10 sentences only. We will take a very short period of time. Try to answer the questions on your own, then check the answers, right? First one, we collected the most amount of money for the drought victims. We collected the most amount of money for the drought victims. I already explained you degrees of comparison. This is your hint that you have to solve it with respect to that degree of comparison. You see, no one else is given in the beginning. So no one else collected more money. Most is given, so the comparative degree can be more money. No one else collected more money than us for the drought victims. Or you can even write, no one else collected more money for the drought victims than us. This is the best one, rather than putting it in between, right? Second question, it would be good if you slept. You had. Very simple question. I guess everybody should be able to answer it by now if you have practiced. My exercises is given in the different the playlist, the language playlist, the grammar playlist. So it would be good if you slept. You had better slept. That's it, right? Nothing else is acceptable over here. You had better slept. Moving on to the next question. We have number 3. My neighbor said, this is, as I told you, it is very common. Direct indirect speech is very, very common in your exams. So my neighbor said, I am grieved that after having lived as good neighbors for so many years, you have to leave this place for good. So you have to begin, my neighbor expressed his grief. So already I am grieved portion is done. So expressed his grief that after having lived as good neighbors for so many years, so you, okay. So my neighbor said, I am grieved. So you can be I. For so many years, I had to leave that place for good, right? So only change over here is you, and this will change to that. Have will change to had, right? That's it. Moving on to question number 4. Arun's friend tried every means to make him smoke, but they failed. So we have to begin, however hard. How can we do it? However hard is a very important question this time in the exam. However hard however hard he tried, Arun's friend could not make him smoke. Full stop. However hard he tried, Arun's friend could not make him smoke. That's it. So 4 is done. We will move on to the next question, which is question number 5. Arun's friend tried every means to make him smoke. We have already done it. So sorry, it's placed again over here. Move on to the 6th one. Madhuri was one of the best actors of India. Again, this is degree of comparison. Very few actors. So this is not only one. It is more than one. So very few actors we have to check the tense also. Very few actors were, W-E-R-E, were, because very few actors is plural. So were. Now best, the comparative degree of it, very few actors were as good as, you can write it in the positive degree as well. Very few actors were as good as Madhuri. Very few actors of India were as good as Madhuri. Full stop, right? So number 6, I believe you have understood it. Very few means, for example, if I have if I have scored 50 out of 50 in my class, there are only possibly 2-3 more girls who have scored 50 out of 50. Others have got less. So a lot of girls did not score 50 out of 50. There are very few who scored 50 out of 50, the full marks, right? So in that case, very few actors were as good as very few actors of India were as good as Madhuri, full stop, right? If you want to practice more questions from any of the subjects of class 10, Oswald Publishers book you may follow. The question bank book, ICC question bank for 10th class, which consists of numerous tips and tools to provide study techniques, right? For any exam paper, you will be familiar with the ICC board solved paper. You will know how to write the answers. There are words of advice that you must follow, which is given by experts. You will find a list of common errors that we often make so that you do not make those in the exam hall. So frequently asked previous year questions also you may find over here. You will revise with chapter at a glance, chapter wise at a glance, so that you can prepare well before your exam. So vision boards, and you can establish study schedules if you want before your exam. So this is available for all the subjects, as you can see on my screen, for biology, for chemistry, for all the subjects. So you can purchase them. The link will be given in my description box. You can purchase it if you want. Let's move on to the topic. Moving on to the next question, number 7. I do not know when my grandfather expired. I do not know how long. This is very important question. Try it on your own. I do not know how long, because how long is important. Why? You don't have to say how, but kaise the grandfather died. Kibabe mara geche is not required. What is required is that when. So we cannot just change a question totally. There are many students, what they will do is simply they will write, I do not know how my grandfather expired. No, that is wrong. I do not know how long it has been since my grandfather's expiry, you can say. Okay. So I do not know how long is very important. After that, you can frame your sentence according to your desire, right? Keeping the sentence correct. Number 8, the mathematics teacher asked me to solve the problem. Use the noun form of solve. What is the noun form of solve? Solution. So the mathematics teacher asked me to give a solution to the problem, because if you have to change solve to solution, you have to add a verb, right? So the mathematics teacher asked for a solution to the problem. You can write that as well, right? So number 8 is done. Moving on to the next question, which is number 9. It surprises me how you tolerate the rude behavior of your boss. Put up with is a phrasal verb for tolerate, right? So it surprises me how you can put up with the rude, or you may not use the word can as well. It surprises me how you put up with the rude behavior of your boss. As simple as that. Put up with is just the other word for tolerate, phrasal verb. Coming to the last sentence of today, I realized that hard work cannot alone can bring success. Use realization. So realize is the verb, realization is the noun. So I realized that hard work alone can bring success. It was my realization. Was why? Because it is written in the past tense. It was my realization that hard work alone can bring success. That's it. No other change. So I believe all the 9 sentences, there are 9 sentences actually, because one sentence is repeated. I believe you could solve them. If you have any doubt, there can be more than one answer, so you can write that to me as well. I will help you out with it. If you just have to copy the question, then write the answer. Otherwise, I have to go and check back what is the question, right? So copy the question, write the variant of your answer, and send it to me in the comment section. I will of course try to help you out. Thank you so much. If you find it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe so that I can bring more such videos for you. Thank you so much.